It's another beautiful day from Food Gist Sonia's kitchen, and today we're going to be teaching you on how to make the traditional Akara. I have 1 cup of beans, 1 small sized bulb of onion, peppers, and salt to taste. Let's go cook. Of the water. Now I'm going to be blending with little water. I don't want it getting too watery, a paste. I'm going to turn into a bowl. Next, I'm going to start mixing. I'll mix for like 10 minutes so it can get fluffy when I fry and not so hard inside. Point, I'm going to be putting in the salt. I have half a teaspoon of salt here, so I'm going to be tasting for the salt to know if it's enough or if I should add more. Start mixing your bean paste. Don't forget to put your vegetable oil on the fire so that it will get ready for frying the bean paste. It will be hot enough for frying. Now I'm going to taste for salt. Yes, it's right. Now the pepper and the onions goes in. Looks beautiful already. And so I'm going to be mixing with just a little water. Let's say about 2 tablespoons of water. You can see the consistency it has, the bean paste. And now we're ready to fry. It's hot enough for frying when it makes a sizzling noise like this. Now it has been frying on this side for a minute, so I'm going to turn to the other side. And I'll check. Okay. It depends on how golden you want it. Now it's ready, but I'm going to allow it to fry more. I want that deep golden brown color. Akara can be eaten with bread. It can be eaten taken with garri. It can be taken with pap, known as akamu. It can be taken with custard, with oats. It can be taken with fried yam also, or fried potatoes. Anyhow you want it. Now I'm going to pack because it's ready. And this is the outcome of the beans we started with by washing, blending, mixing, and frying. And this is my pap to go with it. You can see how crunchy it is on the outside and soft and fluffy on the inside. And this is how akara should be. And when you put it in your mouth, it has this crunchy noise. Mm, nice. Mm, wow. Thank you for watching Food Gist from Sonia's Kitchen. Please subscribe to my channel and leave comments under the comment section. Let me know what you love to eat your akara with. I will usually ask you for that. Give us a thumbs up and thank you for subscribing. God bless you. Enjoy your meal.